Well, this is the second time that we, in collaboration with the county, have put on this open house. It's free and open to the community, and the whole point of the exercise is to demonstrate the Tysons lifestyle, show people who live in and around Tysons what this place is all about, all of the excitement that's being generated over here, all the changes that are happening, all that's available in terms of restaurants and activities and things to do. And it's all about making Tysons into a real urban environment, 24/7 place where people will want to work, live, and play. There's just so much happening over here in Tysons to realize the vision, all about realizing that it's laid out by the county in its comprehensive plan adopted in 2010. It's all about taking an area that was really defined by shopping and office parks and turning it into a walkable urban community.
So we're very happy to host, in partnership with the Tysons Partnership, this annual open house. It's a great way to introduce all the new and wonderful things about Tysons to the community. I run into people who I didn't know live here and they've moved here, or people who are thinking about moving here, or people who are working here. And so it's a great way to really showcase all the work that we've done in Tysons and the places, not only what we've accomplished, but where we're going into the future.